In primetime news this evening, not enough reading. Stakeholders sound off on the poor literacy rates among youth. Jamaica Eye Control Center commissioned in Olympic Gardens. And later left in limbo. Some residents lament payment delay for relocation as Montego Bay Perimeter Road nears completion.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here is Andrea Chisholm. Janella, Caribbean Cement Company is reporting roughly $30 billion in revenue, and we'll hear what the Development Bank of Jamaica has to say about entrepreneurs. That and more, well, those and more in the Business Day.
Thanks, Chizzy. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Archie. Well, there's no major punishment for Mount Pleasant FA following some allegations against them in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romaine is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We're waiting the winds to be picking back up to 20 knots. We're not expecting them to get to 20 knots on average until about the weekend. So because of that, we're still anticipating afternoon showers and thunderstorms covering most of inland areas as well as sections of western parishes.
I was wondering whether I was going to mention the fact that it's been wet today.
I love it.
Which I enjoy. You can hear more in the weather report and forecast later on. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, how often do you read with your child at home?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.